Hey everyone, bam. So I'm still going through, Canva create new features. So I'm going to show you the Canva AI. Now I'm only going to show you a little bit because there's so much to this, okay? But I want to show you first and foremost where to find Canva AI. Well, if you go down and you see create home projects template brand, and then the one with the stars right under brand for me and right above apps is called Canva AI. And I'm going to just click on that. And if you were wondering where Dreamlab has gone, this is what Dreamlab is now. And you just click on that one. I'll be showing that tomorrow. Okay. But today, I just wanted to show you right here is Canva AI. You can click on your designs, you can click on your templates. We're just going to do the Canva AI, and I'm going to click the design for me. Now, what I really like here is it keeps our recent chats, like right here, which is awesome. And then you can scroll down and it gives you some ideas of what you can do. Create a blog, promote, create an image, create a pricing calculator. There's so much, but I do like these too because I always tend to lose those. So let's see here. We are going to click on this. I'm going to click on the design for me and I'm going to click social media. Okay, there's all kinds right here, but first we're going to do social media. All right, so it says describe your idea and I'll bring it to life. I want a this or that post. My theme is, let's just do self-love. All right, and format, let's go Facebook post. Ooh, excuse me, yawning. Okay, all right, let's see here. I bet you can even put like what color, but let's just go for this right now. Okay, creative page. So, gathering some ideas. So it brings you to this. Let's see what it's, I think it's going to give us some designs. That's awesome. Okay, I see it. I see it's coming. Okay, I'm loving this one. This one's a little busy for me. I mean, I'm not hating it, but probably wouldn't be my first. And yeah, but it didn't really give me this or that. Choose what you love best. So it would be like choose what you love most. What makes you feel best? Let me show you one I did earlier. And it's just probably how, okay, right here. So all I did on this one, like I didn't add any extras, so maybe that's where I went wrong. This or that Facebook post idea. So maybe ideas. This is what I'm talking about. Like beach or mountains. This or that. Which do you prefer? This or that. Choose your favorite. Even though it says coffee or tea, it should be apple or orange. But those are simple things that we can fix, right? Because we could just bring it in here and fix it. No clue what this is all about. So I don't think I would choose this one. Now, I like the setup of this, and I like the the lettering. This makes no sense. So look at this. You bring it over here, and I would, you could put in images over here, or you can go use the Canva editor. Okay. So with this one, I would totally take out, delete the frame, and then I would like put some colors. Like I don't even know why I'm sharing this part with you. Um, you guys don't really need to see all this, but since I'm doing it, so I'm going to go elements, and then I'm just going to put colors and see what pops up. Okay, okay, all right. So, okay, now watch this. I could do that. I'm going to duplicate this 4 times. Or actually, just two. Let's just do two, because this or that, right? Okay, so one of them I would put, something like that. Okay, and there you go. This or that. What is your favorite choice, red or blue? They're kind of doing politicky right there. So we'll just go like that. So you see what I'm getting at, like, because this the Canva AI is freaking amazing. And so that was one part that I showed you guys, how it will create a design for you. You just let them know what you need, and bam, it's there. Okay. So I'm going to be going through the Canva AI a little bit more. We're going to do an image tomorrow in the design. So make sure you're following me on YouTube, Pam Allen Online, or make sure you are in my Facebook group where I post these daily and give you far more tips. All right? Okay. But oh, my Facebook group is Canva Creations with Pam. All right? Please, please, please give me a thumbs up, give me a like, give me something. I've been wanting to grow this YouTube channel, and I know people have been watching my videos. I want more people to watch. So, thank you very much.